Hello guys, it's Lee. So I picked up another one this afternoon. It's been a while for me. I've been busy doing actual work. But anyway, I found what I thought was a pretty good deal on Marketplace. So let me show you what I got. Now, I know it says $445, but it really is $425. Now this has got the power steering, hydraulics over here. So I could put my front end loader on here and run it. It's a Kohler 20 horse, but it's liquid cooled. There's the radiator screen right there. Diff lock right here, 54-inch deck. This is how to level the deck. PTO, choke. Now this is carbureted. Some are fuel injected, but this one's carbureted. You know, throttle. Have the availability to put on 3-point hitch. Oh, I got some nuts and bolts there. Parking brake, hydro right here. 1,269 hours. It starts and mows nicely. Hey, if you like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel. Radiator, Kawasaki engine, pretty clean. Already checked the oil, looks good. It's been serviced already this year, so I don't really have to worry about that. The battery's behind this plate on the front and the grill. I think that seat, I think he said it's a pretty new seat, which looks new. Oil dipstick for the transmission. Differential lock right here. Like if you got stuck in some mud or going up a hill in the wet, that would help. So anyway, that's kind of it. I just kept on, I mowed with it for probably 30 minutes, did great. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, sell it. Kind of like it though. But anyway, so I'm new to this John Deere 425. So, you know, I guess right here it is. I already parked it. I guess, I don't know how big of a deal or how expensive it is to get a 3-point hitch put on or to buy it, you know. And I think the guy told me that on the top of the transmission, there is some O-rings that need to be installed, but he gave them to me. He ordered a package from John Deere, and I don't see any evidence that it needs it, but I'll probably pull that seat off and look at the transmission and see. But anyway, if you know, if there's something great about this machine that I didn't talk about, let me know. But I just want to at least introduce that to you, that I just got that. I'll probably mow with it a few times. I don't know, might end up on Marketplace. I don't know yet, but all right, that's it. I'm out.